Hey, hi. My name is Gopi and I'm from Hyderabad and I'm working as a Syrian delivery manager. I came across this B10 mastery course through an email that I received in my email inbox. I decided to purchase mastery course after being impressed by the introduction session, the quality of the content, and uh, most importantly, the affordable fee that was within my budget. I felt that enrolling in this course would significantly enhance my approach and efficiency in my daily work. I enrolled in this mastery course in October and it is currently in progress. I'm already seeing positive result in my work with increased recognition and appreciation for the quality of the contribution for my contribution, and I feel that lot of things will change in my approach once I finish the entire course. Thank you.